AI is not taking your job, it's replacing people who don't know how to use it. The reality: you're scrolling. Somebody else is earning, not because they're smarter, but because they're using AI. 3 ways you can make money with AI. Number 1. Sell AI-generated digital products, such as ebooks, templates, business plans, social media captions. Create once, then sell repeatedly. Number 2. Offer AI-powered services, such as AI video editing, resume writing, copywriting, social media management. Clients don't care how you work. They care about results. Number 3. Start a faceless content page. Use AI for script, voiceover, editing. Post consistently, monetize, affiliate, brand deals. AI is not magic. It's leverage. The question is not, will AI replace me? The question is, will I learn how to use it? The future belongs to people who adapt. If you're ready to learn how to use AI, not fear it, AI won't wait. Either you adapt, or you get replaced. Subscribe. Let's build smarter.